Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today, we're going to work on the QuickBooks integration. So just to get you started, to get you here, you're going to start off by going to your crafter section and going into settings. You'll scroll down, you'll find integrations, and then you're going to scroll until you find QuickBooks. This is right here, and click connect. Now, it's going to move us through just a few different prompts. Well, you're going to just log into your QuickBooks here. I'm going to click connect. I'm already logged in my QuickBooks on another tab, so that's always very helpful. Otherwise, it would show you through how you just log in and then it would connect to your account. Now I'm going to fetch my customers. It shows that I have 5 customers here. I'll click next. We can see all of the different fields that you'll find in QuickBooks versus the fields that we have here in Craftify, and you can adjust any of those if you'd like. And then you can either choose to update any existing contacts that might be already in your Craftify AI account. If you have none, you can also uncheck it. I'm going to leave it checked for now. Click next, and then you'll go into sync your contacts. Now, my 5 contacts skip because this is just a demo. There's no actual contacts there for me, but for you, you'll have tons of contacts there, I'm sure. So you'll see all of those synced contacts that are here. I'm going to click done. And then that's really all you have to do. Now you're completely connected to QuickBooks. Now, why is this important? Whenever you add a customer into your QuickBooks account, you will find that customer here in your contact section. It'll automatically start to import those contacts directly over here inside of your Craftify AI account. That way, everything's all in one place. So I hope this was super helpful. Hope you have a great day. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.